YouTube, what's good? What's going on with y'all? It's Aircraft the Reactor here, back here with another video. Today we're going to be reacting to Certified Fresh Memes by Meme Cat. It's gonna be a little shorter video now. Saying make sure drop your comments down below if y'all like the shorter videos. Make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. Turn on post notifications when you subscribe. You heard? Alright, let's get into the video. See, make a big screen. Let's get into it.
Where did Hannah go?
Where did Hannah go?
Oh my god, there he goes.
Stop.
Okay, do it.
How many mosquitoes are needed to suck us to death? Actually, there are...
Hold on for a minute, ma'am.
I remember this meme.
Hey, seriously, if you just tell me whose this is, I'm not gonna be upset.
I'm telling you, there's no
Not
other
mine.
I remember that. You remember the shower but has mess blue testicles.
Can I have some of that drink? No.
No, darling, you have to catch me first.
Oh, no.
Edna.
No. Damn, you faggot.
Hey, good night, bro. Good night.
Good night, bro.
Oh my god.
That machine is making weird noises.
Hey, get down the fiddling, get down the boat.
I was out and wanted to see what the dog doing. What my dog was doing at home. Bombastic sci-fi. He's like another
Check
one.
this out, Mom.
Oh hell no!
Alright, man, I think I'm gonna call tonight. Baby, you can stop playing.
W.
What?
According to Wikipedia.org, blood plasma.
Why did I make Siri that freaky?
What? Hold on. Nah, they killing the Nah, no way they're gonna kill this picture.
No way! No way! They caught a body and flew. Literally. Them two birds caught a whole ass body and then bounced. No face, no case. No way.
It's the drunk crashers that get us in trouble.
They give it in New York. They was like, if the humans can do it, we can do it too.
It's a bad rap. I can drive perfectly. You guys are seeing this. It's always just the drunk drivers that can't understand what's going on, you know? And that's what I think is the bad thing. Jesus fucking Christ. Fuck!
Is that what that is? You know that? Uh-oh. What in the tarnation?
Thank you.
Konnichiwa. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Go ahead.
Pooh Shiesty for Pooh Shiesty. Ain't got a messy.
This is Alexa. What is the purpose of the visit?
Jesus Christ.
I can inform the resident. What is your name?
I said Jesus Christ.
Hey, yo, Vern. What do girls say to guys with big wieners?
I don't know.
Yeah, I knew you wouldn't know.
You motherfucker. Dude, you're never gonna believe it. What? Somebody just left a $19 Fortnite gift card in the bushes. No way. Yep.
What's up, bud? Hey, man, you like that hot shit, don't you?
Makes my booty hole itch, but I like it.
The fuck? Hey, don't you?
Makes my booty hole itch, but I like it.
Yo.
Fuck?
Why the hell were you honking at me? Meow. Oh, you're a fuzzy?
Oh, fuzzy is crazy.
Alright, guys. Time to prank my girlfriend.
Okay, does Joe Biden have a brother? I'm lucky I have 2 younger brothers. I'm the oldest of 3, and I've got a sister who's the love of my life.
Yo.
Former Vice President Joe Biden will win the state of Alabama.
Stop.
What color was his ass? Dog.
Yo!
Who ate my last pizza?
Joe did it.
Bro, what you my pizza? Oh, shit.
Here comes the boy. Hello, boy.
So I said to my boyfriend, please make me something to eat. And he said, no, do it yourself. So I said to him, get in the fucking kitchen now.
Yo?
Hey, hey!
A romantic candlelit dinner would be incomplete without
My balls in your face.
Stick your toe in it, and they suck it.
What are you guys doing?
Fact, everybody. If you guys hit the alarm button,
stop, dude.
all it does is make an alarm noise, but nothing actually happens.
It's a nice hotel.
Because it's just an alarm. Alright, guys.
Here's your soup. Feel better.
Harry Potter still be successful if Daniel Radcliffe was black?
No, because J.K. Rowling would give his character some name like... I don't think I'm supposed to make this joke, actually.
Aquarius nigga spell.
Not I see it. Why do I see it? Why do I see it? Nah, somebody in there had Taco Bell.
The bottom so it can slam your flavor buds faster. You know what? I'm glad Mom left.
This pizza is so good. Dad, I'm gay.
Yo.
2 tickets, please.
Fuck! I just got some money now, fucking not a dot.
Well, school buses in Ohio are getting a major upgrade by replacing regular exhaust pipes with enormous fucking rocket boosters as part of the governor's plan to transport his dumbest students faster so they might, quote, actually learn shit.
I don't know why it's delayed.
Learn shit.
Hi.
Hi.
My pronouns are he, not him. Because I'll never be him.
Not here. My security camera alerted me to at work that my roommate fell through the ceiling into my room today. He's probably ready to get into the restroom. And that will be the end of the video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? We close to 20 subs on this bitch. Alright. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace.